Welcome back, my automations, for some more Megabonk. Here we are, finally having a chance to play Birdo. And let's get straight into him on Desert Tier 2. Also, if you like the content, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. His main thing is that he can float. Also has a double jump. Alright, interesting. That definitely might come useful in the boss battle to dodge the lasers, but we'll see how that goes. Grab this. We'll grab jump height. We'll get tornado. We'll grab this tumbleweed. Grab this tumbleweed. Then we'll grab this chest over here. Oops, okay. Nothing crazy. We'll take tornado. Grab some of these. Grab this. I see a shrine over here. We'll grab this. Ooh, there's two of them. Nice. Ooh, and there's a couple more in the distance as well. We'll take lifesteal. Grab this. We'll get size. We'll grab the Maui statue. We'll get Cursed Doll. Grab this shrine. Then we'll grab this one from across from it. We'll get projectile speed. Grab this. Ooh, a chest. Pick this up. Campfire, okay. Not bad. We'll take damage to elites. We'll grab aura. Grab this. Oh yeah, now we're really moving. Grab this shrine over here. There we go. We'll get gain armor. Tornado. Keep on moving. Walk up to these guys, see if they give us anything interesting. We'll get spiky shield. We'll get battery. Move across here. Ooh, there's a gold chest. Let's grab that. Alright, let's see what's in it. Echo shard? Okay. Not bad. We'll take... Ooh, Frostwalker's new. We'll take Frostwalker. Ooh, Frostwalker's different than Firewalker, actually, which is interesting. With fire, it follows you in a path, but it seems like for frost, it just does it in a circle. Interesting. We'll take this chest. Attack speed up is good. I'll take the nuke. Refresh. We'll take damage. Damage. Mirror is nice. Also, a quick thing, I also learned recently that I forget what button it was. There it was. Let me grab damage chunk. There is a map, which I found out recently, which would have been really useful a long time ago. But it's good that I have it now and I can use it. But yeah, when I was just randomly playing, I found the map and I just was randomly thinking about it, and I was like, okay, well, good to see. Damage. So that's gonna make our life a lot easier. We'll slide down here. Keep on moving, grab this tumbleweed. We'll get aura. Ice crystal, nice. I think we need to get that to unlock another character. Ooh, let's grab this challenge over here real quick. Ooh, and there's the boss portal. That's good to see. Grab this chest. Idle juice. Ooh. Okay, we're looking good right now. We get the size tome. That would be good. We'll get evasion. Damage. Walk up here, we'll grab this chest. Golden gloves, okay. We'll stand still for a second. Size tome, that's great. Refresh, we'll take damage. Alright. Tornado. We'll go over here. Grab this. Grab tumbleweed. Grab tumbleweed. We'll get the magnet here. Skip. We'll take damage. Grab this tumbleweed. Grab the chest. Gem sauce, that's nice. Aura. We'll take size, take tumbleweed. We'll take lifesteal. We'll take this chest. This shrine. We'll take lifesteal. We'll take duration. We'll grab this chest. Attack speed's nice. Talk to this guy. Slippery ring. Grab that for the extra challenge. We'll grab this shrine. Alright, we'll take damage to elites. Keep on moving. We'll grab this shrine and then probably go back to the boss portal to wrap it up. We'll take damage. Okay, we'll quickly grab both these challenges and then move towards the boss portal. Actually, we're gonna grab that shrine real quick up here. Crosswalker. Grab this shrine. Grab this chest. Grab this real quick. We'll get HP regen. Damage tome. And now we do have to start making our way back toward the portal. Just this way. Okay, we don't have to turn on the chest, that's fine. A chest just dropped. We're gonna have to miss that, unfortunately. We'll take power-up drop chance. Just keep on moving towards the boss. Okay, we're getting closer. There it is. We'll take Bosswalker. You want Blade? Okay. I'm gonna get to here as fast as possible. Grab this. Ghost, alright. And then we just need to activate this. Okay, we're doing pretty solid so far. Damage. The Scorpion's probably gonna die soon as well. It's good to see. Coward's Cloak. Okay, that's nice. For the movement speed. Ghost. We'll take Damage Tome. Crosswalk. Size. Tornado. Rosswalker. Oh, it's okay. I'm trying to see if I can get this chest that's up here. I can't. Okay, well, we'll just go back over here and go towards the portal. Alright, we'll just stand next to this and just leave when it's necessary. We'll take Aura. We're gonna make it to a minute, which is good to see. Okay, we finally got hit. We'll take Damage Tome again. And we'll go through the portal. Alright. On to tier 2. And we'll see how we do. Alright. I see a shrine, I'll see a Maui. We'll jump over here, grab this. We'll get backpack. I wonder if more projectiles gives more pulses for the frost. Maybe. We'll take crit chance. We'll take Damage Tome. Talk to this guy. Okay. Grab this. We'll get lifesteal. We'll take projectile count. Okay, I don't think projectile count affects the Frostwalker, but I might be wrong. Who knows? Grab the shrine. We'll take size. Keep on moving. There we go. We'll take movement speed. Grab the skeleton. Let's go back to this guy. We'll take fear. Let's see how fast we're filling this. We're 52k. Alright, interesting. We'll grab the shrine. We'll take damage. Just gotta keep on moving. We'll take projectile count. Take this. We'll take max HP. Try to kill as many people as possible. Gotta be careful. Ooh, a bomb? See if I can quickly get rid of this guy. We'll take lifesteal. Keep on moving, keep on moving. Just gotta keep on moving. We'll take size. Ooh, we'll take the magnet. We'll take damage, size, Frostwalker. And it's done for, nice. Alright. Let's look at the map. Okay, let's go in this direction. Grab this chest first. Evasion up, alright. What's my actual evasion at, actually? No, I think about it. 20%? Okay. We'll take lifesteal. Keep it moving. We'll grab this tumbleweed. I see a couple of shrines. Keep going. Oh, there's the boss portal. Okay, great to see. Ghost, okay. Grab this pot. Go down here, we'll grab shield. Grab this. We'll get more evasion. We'll grab max HP. Crystal. Grab this. Grab this. Grab another pot. Nice. Look at this. I'll take another crystal. Actually, probably should have took moldy cheese there, but it's fine. We'll take damage to elites. Take this. Grab that pot. I'm gonna grab this chest over here. Time bracelet, okay. All right. I will take size. Okay. Things are gonna get slightly annoying here. What if I just stand still? Okay, I'm also healing more than they can damage me. Size. Okay. Damage. Let's activate this now. Because we need to do it soon anyways. Already not looking great, but we'll see. Turbo Socks. Okay. It's definitely possible. Definitely possible to win here. Is it gonna happen? Oh, we'll see. I need to get this health right here. Bloody Tome. Okay. Keep on going. Honestly, if I just stand still, can they? Yes, I think they can kill me. Let's grab this chest real quick. See if there's anything life-changing here. More damage. Okay, that might be kind of insane. Okay. We'll take damage. Damage. And I died. Dang, that was so close. I definitely don't think we could have. It would have been real close. But we got 34 silver and we got quite a few unlocks. Okay. So we just need to get the poison flask now to get this new character. Then we also unlocked toxic barrel and also ice crystal. So let's get poison flask. How much is this character? 26. Okay. 2, 1, 4. Dang, we're down by 2. All right, well, we'll probably get those last 2 we need for him later. But for now, that's all for today, my automations, and I'll see you next time. Bye.